A very good morning to everyone. My name is Shobna Sarat. My matrix number is 272551. Today I am here to persuade my audience that smoking should be banned completely in Malaysia. First of all, smoking is an act of burning a substance for the purpose of taking in its smoke into the lungs. Commonly, cigarettes contain tobacco and cannabis, which will produce active substances through the combustion, such as nicotine. According to the Quid website in 2018, they stated that there are three main reasons for the smokers that cannot prevent the smoking. The first reason is because the tobacco contains nicotine, which is very addictive. Therefore, the nicotine is very addictive and the smoker cannot quit the smoking habit. Second reason is situation trigger. Situation trigger known as a situation where it will lead you to smoke. For example, if you go to a birthday party and your friend asks you to smoke, that's a situation trigger. The last reason is emotional trigger. Emotional trigger is a you smoke because you want to feel normal or to prevent your stress, tension, or even in your happiness you will smoke. That's the habit of smoking, and that there are the three main reasons of the smoking among the smokers. This the statistic number of cigarettes consumed in Malaysia from 2013 to 2018. First, in 2013, there are 22.1 billion of cigarettes as consumed by Malaysians, whereby in 2014 there's a slight decrease which is 20.7 billion, and in 2015 and 16 there's a sustain which is 19.3 billion of cigarettes consumed in Malaysia, whereby in 2017 there are slight increase which is from 19.3 to 20 billion. In 2018, there's a slight increase which is 20.3 billion number of cigarettes consumed in Malaysia from 2013 to 2018. Therefore, as you can see, even though we know and even there's a lot of steps has been taken by our governments and public institutions, but still there's an increased number of cigarettes that are consumed in Malaysia, even though we all know that's harm our life. So therefore, I am here to persuade my audience that smoking should be banned completely in Malaysia. The first reason smoking should be banned completely in Malaysia because it causes several health effects. First, for active smokers known as a person who smoke currently at least one cigarette per day. For the past few decades, it has come to light that smoking kills. Even federal government mandates that every cigarette packet should contain a warning on it that smoking will cause health effects including death. It harms almost every organ of the body. According to the Cancer Research UK, has showed that every 15 cigarettes that smoked by a smoker will change one of his body cells to the cancerous cell. So the higher you smoke, the higher risk that you will face in future. According to the Edward Comprehensive Cancer Center, that cigarette has found that 87% of lung cancer deaths caused by the smoking habits. Next, it will also affect the digestive organ as well as the blood circulatory system. According to the Cancer Research UK, has showed the women will face higher risk of heart attack compared to the men who smoking. Besides that, it also can cause infant death for the pregnancy woman in the early stage of the pregnancy. In 2018, the Star newspaper delivered a news stated that lung cancer patients in Malaysia have a significant history of smoking. Almost 92% of Malaysian male lung cancer patients have this history. So in order to prevent all these health impacts and issues, we have to prevent and ban smoking completely in Malaysia. Next, for the passive smoker. Passive smoker known as a person who's surrounded by the active smoker. Even though they don't smoke, but they still breathing in other people's tobacco smoke. So it will cause tobacco related diseases such as lung cancer, heart disease and stroke. Especially for the children, it will cause a risk of respiratory. which can, for example, asthma and pneumonia. In order to prevent the health issues for the children in the early childhood, we have to ban smoking habits in Malaysia. For example, in Victoria, it is illegal to smoke in cars carrying people under 18 years of age. But in Malaysia, we can see that lot of people still smoking even inside the car. Next, smoking can affect their future generation. As we know, a person who smokes can portray a bad example for the future generation, especially if the smoker is a parent of a family, because their children are easily influenced in their growing stages. They just imitate and follow whatever their siblings and parents do, because they cannot differentiate between the things right and wrong. So they just follow. Therefore, they perceive the the action that done and see around them are the ways that should be. So they just follow the habit of smoking as well. Next, besides of parents, there are also strangers and their friends influencing the future generation. For example, you trigger your friend to smoke in school during the school hours. So that's one kind of the trigger and action that has been done by the strangers. But the smoking habits among the future generation can cause discipline issue and drain their pocket money. First is discipline issue. As you can see, nowadays we can see a lot of primary school and secondary school students have discipline issue, including the smoking and vaping issues. It's all because of the habits of that they learn from their friends and parents. So in order to prevent all this, we have to ban smoking completely in Malaysia. Other than that, drain pocket money. As you know, it's really drain your pocket money in for the adulthood as well as for the child. Every penny that you spend on cigarette will drain your pocket money. So in order to prevent it, you have to save and prevent the habit of smoking. In 2018, the Pinning Consumer Association has found that children as young as 5 to 7 years old were exposed to cigarettes when they were asked to buy cigarettes by their fathers. So that's the thing that we should prevent in order to have a better generation. So that's why I firmly agree and stand that smoking habits should be banned completely in Malaysia. These are the example pictures of secondary school students who smoke outside of the school. Last but not least, smoking should be banned completely in Malaysia in order to protect our environment. Smoking can cause water pollution and air pollution. First, for the water pollution, cigarette butts becoming one of the biggest factors that concern with the littering. You can see cigarette butts everywhere, including in front of the bus stop, in front of your home, even around the parking area of your car. And later on, all these cigarette butts find a waterways to reach the public source such as lake and rivers. The Ocean Conservancy points out that the cigarette butts are the most common waste matter and ends up in international water system every year, which led to International Coastal Cleanup Program, where they managed to find and clear about 3.2 million cigarette butts from waterways and beaches around the world every year. So throughout this, even the government have to increase their expenses to clean up the cigarette butts. So yeah, one of the disadvantages is they increase the expenses of the government. Besides that, it can cause and harm the aquatic animals. Aquatic animal, for example, fish. If the fish ingests the cigarette butts, it can reduce the capacity of the stomach of fish to consume the food, which and will make and lead the fish die later on. Other than that, air pollution. Air pollution can cause by the active smoker directly. Other than that, cigarette industry also can cause to the air pollution. It starts from the tobacco farm where they use machine which emit greenhouse gases throughout the fossil fuel combustion to produce the energy. Other than that, they also carry out a method which is called as a curing processing, where they burning the wooden which will produce and which is produce harmful gases which will impact the health of living things. So, in order to protect our environment, including humans and living things, we have to ensure and prevent smoking habits in Malaysia. As a conclusion, smoking can cause health problems, can create a bad future generation, as well as can impact our environment. In order to prevent all these issues, we should ban smoking habit completely in Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.